Good morning, everybody, and welcome to our This I Believe unit. I just wanted to go over a few things before we get started and hopefully give you guys some direction before you get to experience some This I Believe essays and write your own. So if you click on the main document, you can go to the unit at a glance. This has our state standards attached to it, how long it's going to last, the main text, our objectives, and our assessments. So this is kind of everything all at once. So you can see it's only going to be a week. We'll start it today. You'll turn in your essay on Monday. And the essays are going to be from the This I Believe website. I attached the exact ones we're going to do to the PowerPoint, and we'll go over that in just a second. So your objectives are you're going to learn about the This I Believe essay project, and you're going to write your own personal narrative essay. And through the essays we read, you're going to learn about the text structure for a personal narrative. So you can see today we're going to read Finding a Good Frog, Time to Walk the Dog, and Triumph of Kindness. Tomorrow we'll read 3 more. You'll also get assigned a graphic organizer. Your graphic organizer is to help you kind of chunk this assignment so you see the little bits and pieces. So tomorrow we're going to check on your belief statements, and I'll show you that in a second. And I'll review them with you tomorrow, so don't worry. You won't go through all of this not knowing if your belief is good enough or not. You're going to have your story, your 3 concrete details. We'll go over all of this in class. Tomorrow, I'm going to check your beliefs through your answer garden. Hopefully this will give us some direction if we're heading in the right way, and if hopefully I'm explaining this correctly. Thursday, you'll have all day to work on your essay because your graphic organizers are due at the beginning of the period. My goal is to get you some kind of feedback by the end of the period. And then Friday, we'll start our Crucible stuff. I hope you guys, this answers some questions, and you have a great day.